Hey guys, my name is Jack. This is my car. I go to Haney Technical College and I've been in the auto collision course for a little over a year now. During this course, I've got an ASE certification and I've got a position at Joe Hudson Collision, and I've even gotten to work on my own car here. I bought this 350Z. It had a few dings around it, but it looked pretty good. We brought it in, I started to prep it, and it had a bunch of filler in the door and it was damaged beyond repair. So we ended up getting a new door for it, and I bought a body kit and prepped the car, primed everything, got it ready for paint, painted it purple matte, did it in the booth here at Haney. I also have the car on air suspension so that way I can air it out on the ground, and got it wrapped in chrome tint, and it's been a fun project here at Haney. Thank you to Mr. McGee, and thank you to Haney for the opportunity to learn all the skills it takes to accomplish all this.